In astrology, the Triplicities refer to the three distinct groups of signs, each representing an element: fire, earth, air, and water. These elements are the foundational energies that shape our personalities, motivations, and interactions with the world. Each element is made up of three signs, and the way these elements manifest in our charts can tell us a lot about how we approach life, love, and challenges. Fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire represents action, enthusiasm, and inspiration. Fire signs are driven by passion and a desire for self-expression. They are often spontaneous, courageous, and full of energy. They thrive on challenges and are quick to act, sometimes without thinking through all the details. Their approach to life is often bold, and they are natural leaders. Earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Earth is the element of stability, practicality, and materialism. Earth signs are grounded, reliable, and dedicated to building security in their lives. They take a practical, methodical approach to their goals and are often the ones who turn ideas into reality. Earth signs can be very focused on their senses, enjoying the tangible aspects of life, from food to physical touch, and tend to be drawn to financial and material success. Air signs: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air is the element of intellect, communication, and social connection. Air signs are intellectual, curious, and driven by ideas and conversations. They thrive in social environments and love to connect with others. Water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water is the element of emotion, intuition, and sensitivity. Water signs are deeply connected to their emotions and are often empathetic toward others. They are intuitive and can often sense things that others don't. Water signs value emotional connections and are often introspective, finding meaning in their inner world. They can be sensitive, but this allows them to connect deeply with others on an emotional level, even when it's not immediately visible. Each of these elements plays a vital role in the zodiac wheel. They represent different ways of processing and interacting with the world around us. Understanding how each element expresses itself within your own birth chart can provide a deeper insight into your motivations, strengths, and challenges. By understanding the Triplicities and the way these elemental energies interact within the zodiac, you can gain a better understanding of your core drives and personality. Every element adds something important to the table, and learning how these energies work together within your chart can guide you toward better self-awareness and growth.